Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good on this wonderful Wednesday, July 9th at 3 o'clock. I got an email from YouTube, I'm not sure it's real, saying that I've been shut down and I can't do certain things. And I'm like, what? They say that I have might have done something against their community standard, but I'm like, what? Uh, I don't know. They say that my amount of live time is going to be limited. I don't do a lot of lives. No, I don't do a lot of anything other than just this little piece every day. Well, anyway, today's been busy. I got off work, came home, and this phone's been blowing up. Somebody's trying to get in touch with me. And got home, was going to cook something, and my cousin showed up. Amber Alert. Fly away day tomorrow. No, that's a couple weeks off. What in the hell is this thing going on? Hey, anyway, good Lord, I'm tired. I can't even see straight right now. Okay. Let's see. Got another visit from the folks that put in my bid. We've signed papers. It's selling. It's under contract. Uh, she's carrying the papers to both banks or whatever it is, and the title company. And the title company is supposed to be getting in touch with me about doing things. Uh, oh, good Lord, I'm tired. Uh, the people that bought the house wanted to come take a look at it, and they looked. I showed them. I even carried them out back, showed them through the grass to the or the weeds through to the storm shelter, and then I ended up getting rid of two saws and my chest freezer. They're gonna come back pay for that tomorrow, I think. Uh, yeah, they're literally around. They got a house literally around the corner from here. So yay. All I know is it's actually hot outside, and I've been running around dealing with outside for a while, and I don't even know where to begin how tired I am. Cousin showed up, didn't get to eat, didn't I was about to I was starting to peel the package open when he knocked on the door. We got a truckload loaded and out. He's coming back tomorrow, I think, in the morning to do another load. We're going to try to get something else out. Jeez. And like I said, I got rid of my chest freezer and my table saw and uh, radial miter saw. Not a good price, but hell, get rid of them. And it's the guy buying the house, so yeah, could have got more. Should have. But I'm just ready to get out of here. And it's cash in the pocket. Somewhere in one of my pockets. It's been one of those days. But yeah, whew. And I'm going to have to, yeah, talk to my boss. I think I'll be trying to get out of here. I'm going to be turning gas and electric off, I think, on the 15th. which will be me flying away day. Uh, I think I'm paid up till then on everything. If not, I can still pay it. Call them up and ask. But I'm going to have everything. Call them tomorrow probably and get things shut off. I ain't doing anything the rest of the day. I'm going to sleep. I literally am feeling cross eyed and overheated. Well, no, I can't go to bed like this. I'm dusty and yeah, I got to get cleaned up before I can go to bed. I don't want to drag this into my bed. Yay, something else to do. But yeah, got rid of a bunch of stuff today, which is good. And that gives me money to go into this, that, and the other. So, yay. I'm trying to decide where to send it. I need to go to the bank and put money in the bank now, which is a good thing. And I got to load some stuff up. I'm going to have to go for sure get some signatures taken care of tomorrow. Uh, I got some taken care of today for closing on the house. That's why it's going to the title shop today in the bank. Uh, yeah, I'm worked all night, worked all morning, and worked for 2.5 hours into the afternoon. And yeah, it's a good day though. I'm just very tired and a bit scattered. And I got this email from them saying my channel's got problems, so I need to call and talk to them, find out what the hell's up with that. All I know is I need sleep. Oh, also, pharmacy hit that today. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out. Try to get what's in the box in the kitchen and what I want out of my china cabinet, which mainly it's some A&W root beer mugs. Yeah, I got a few of them. So yeah, I got to get that done tonight, and I'm gonna try to mow in the morning part of the backyard and all of the front yard, uh, and maybe try if I can to get the beehive squared up. And I forgot to show Miss Connie where that beehive was. It's over there next to the storm shelter, which I got distracted there, and yeah, they looked at it. They're happy to have a hole in the ground. It's important to have a hole in the ground. Yeah. Although, if a tornado does come and go straight over the top of it, and it's a big enough one, it can pull those things out of the ground. But that's really, that has to be a real bad situation. But yeah, boy, hearing aids. What'd you say? uh, anyway, I'm wiped out. I'm done. Stick a fork in me. Williams, Philippines. I hope you have a wonderful week. My weekend's off to a blast. Wednesday, Thursdays, such fun. Uh, yeah, I got to try and get something done tomorrow. Uh, for yeah, And then got to try to get the guy. If I can get these things done, I would like to get them done tomorrow. And the ballot buy-in box is out. Probably should call the guy tomorrow or today before I go to shit. There's so much more that needs short time, a lot of stuff to do. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, a lot more food. And oh, the lady saw my pantry, and her comment was, "A lot of food." Yeah, she'd have shit if she'd have seen this place 6 months ago. What was in my pantry isn't a tenth of what I had, or isn't a tenth of what I had. Yeah, I wasn't gonna starve, but I tell you, every time I look into my freezer on top of my refrigerator, I want to go to the grocery store and buy food. Yeah. So anyway, William Williams Philippines, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. It's you. You get to figure it out. Everything's your choice. Live with it. Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. And again, more food. I'm William Williams Philippines. I'm out. Fish out. Later, bye bye, blessings.